So what's going on? My name is Say Naif, and we are going to take a look into my closet. So I've had a kid. It's been a while since I bought a new pair of shoes, so I'm hoping that you guys can pick one or two shoes to get rid of so I can buy a couple more. This video, maybe the next few videos, are going to be just me going through the closet, taking a look at some of the old stuff, see what I can keep, what's still pretty popping right now, and then what's just what has to go. So I have a few, maybe like 6 or so pairs of shoes that I'm gonna look at, and then I'm gonna try them on and see if I like them. Spoiler alert, most of these are Supras, so I think one of the Supras is gonna go. So anyways, let's take a look at them. All right, this last pair I call my rapper shoe. I mean, I love these things. I mean, I wore them in a music video. These are some Supras, the maroon color. So I need to get a few more shoes like this. Like, I really love, how it feels when you wear it. I like the color. It's like a felt kind of a feel. It's pretty cool. So yeah, these I'm definitely keeping. These Adidas here are super cool. I mean, they're dirty as hell, but I really love the. We'll see how these feel too. They go really well with a lot of outfits. Standard issue white Adidas shoes. I mean, can't go wrong with the white Adidas, right? So yeah, I'm probably definitely going to keep these shoes. And I'm a size 13, like I said. Hard to find shoes that are comfortable. So shout out to Adidas. It's really, or Adidas for you Europeans. So I really do enjoy these. Allbirds, I mean, your dad's shoe. Another corny, another whack. But these things can slip them on. You can slip them on real easily. They're a real nice shoe. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing is that there's no traction on the shoe. I don't like that. So I'll be walking out in the rain and I'll slip a lot. So that's real whack. But I mean, if I need to run around the corner real quick, I mean, I'm throwing these on. So I'm probably going to keep these too. Now, the shoes that are on the chopping block, these white shoes, I bought these. These are Supras. I like them, but they remind me of the Glow in the Dark tour Kanye West shoes. So I mean, I like them. They're dope. They're just I feel like they're out of style. Maybe they're not. And also too, I'm not sure how many outfits that I had that these will go with. So we'll see. I mean, if you guys think that I should get rid of these shoes, let me know. But remember, I'm trying to pick 1 or 2 shoes to throw away so I can get some new ones. Or maybe I'll just keep them all. And see what happens. So those are the Supras. These black shoes. My issue with these Supras is that I don't like the finish. I don't like how they feel. They're comfortable-ish. I have a lot of Supras because they have a lot of size 13s, but these might have to go. I mean, they're not bad shoes, but I just don't like. I don't know. And they just have this, like, they don't look black. They look like the black isn't black. It's kind of like a weird grayish. Maybe that's just dirt. I know all these shoes are dirty, but this one just never seems to look like black the way I want it to look. So that's these. And then the last pair here are these black Supras that look kind of a cross between the white Kanye Glow in the Dark shoes and the black ones that I don't like, right? But I like how these feel. My only issue with them is that they're super uncomfortable and hard for me to put on. Because once again, when you have a size 13, life is difficult. So yeah, tell me what shoes you guys like. Tell me which ones I should get rid of. I mean, suggest shoes. I need to get new shoes, so suggest shoes. I'm definitely here to take any kind of advice because I love me some fashion, and the more input, the better, right? So yeah, holla at me. I'm Saynave, SAYNAVE. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. You can follow me here. You can follow my music YouTube page. So yeah, I'm gonna holla at you guys next week. Peace.